To fulfill the aspirations of Twin Hills Autonomous Council, KAC and NCHSC had been demanding the implementation of Article 244A of the Indian Constitution since the last 3 decades. Agitations and dharnas were carried out at Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao as well as at national capital Delhi continuously since 1980s, reiterating their demands for making KAC and NCHSA an autonomous state, which is their constitutional right. Likewise, on 8 of August, a sit-in demonstration at Jantar Mantar, Delhi was organized to reiterate the demand of implementing Article 244A of the Indian Constitution. The sit-in demonstration was chaired by Ajit Timong, chairman of Kanchaskom, and notable students and social organization of Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao like KSA, DSU, Karbi Riswa Dorbar, Karsa, Kuya, Lalung Adorbar, Karbi Adorbar, and many more participated at a sit-in demonstration held at Jantar Mantar, Delhi on Monday.
Bang horo thom se dak alang tum non chesong bon bomlo na selang tum hempen chu sidak dihi rong supi mate India adet capital along dak Jantar Mantar along selang tum
Horan Singhbei, Member of Parliament, and Surjya Rongphar, Executive Member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, also made their presence at the event. Surjya Rongphar, EM of KAAC, while delivering his speech, said the struggle for autonomous state began from 1986 and till date we are doing it without any rest. The autonomous state movement had completed 36 years today, yet there is no any sign for the implementation of Article 244A at the Parliament.
Artikel 244A memang ditujukan biasa bagaimana? Kami lah masuk ke sini, memang lah bangkai, tapi mati pada luar jenazah.
Thang Sing Timong, President of Karbi Students Association, while speaking to us, said it is not the time to boast who initiated the statehood movement. It's time to stay united and pressurize the ruling government to fulfill the aspirations of the Twin Autonomous Council.
Of our country is throughout the world, and now at present I am proud of saying that now the entire world identifies us that we are from Modi State. Only this is we get so that is because of Modi identified under such a strong leadership, under such an able leadership, so I am sure that we will I conclude, and before conclusion, I would like to raise our slogan. So we will be just standing up to a company. No to Marseille! No to
Ajit Timong, Chairman of Kanchaskom, appeals all the citizens of Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao to stand under one roof and support the demand for autonomous state rather than criticizing the autonomous state movement. Here is the visual.
party, non-political organization, social organization, Jangan dapat kuliner, kalau dapat kuliner kita, ini semua kita cari setiap hari untuk.
Long this report from Delhi for Karbi Anglong Live.